In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Pay with PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to connect your PayPal account to Google Pay in order to make payments is to open up the latest version of the Google Pay app on your phone, and after you sign in using your credentials, switch over to the Payment tab through the menu at the bottom of the screen. When you go over to the payment window, you will be able to see all of your assigned payment methods, and at the bottom of your screen, you will see the plus sign next to payment method, as you can see highlighted over here. All you have to do is select this button and you will get the option to add a credit or debit card or a PayPal account. Click PayPal and you will have to confirm that you want to link your PayPal account by including your credentials. So go ahead and input your email, phone number, and all other necessary information and click Allow at the bottom of your screen. You will have to grant your PayPal account permission to be linked with Google Pay, and after you grant it the necessary permissions, it will appear under your payment methods and you will get the option to use your PayPal account whenever you manage payments using the Google Pay app. After you are connected, like I said, you can manage your payments and remove your PayPal account at any time you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google Pay with PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.